everyone, I'm Carly and today I'm very excited to share my experience with the Piker magnetic bag, your new workout buddy. Every time I go to the gym, I just end up tossing all my stuff on the floor next to my machine, and I was really sick of doing that. It's just kind of gross to put all of your stuff on the floor. So that's why I decided to pick up this Piker magnetic water bottle bag. This bag sticks to metal surfaces like magic, so there's no more tossing your stuff on the floor. So whether I'm filming my workouts or just keeping everything organized, this bag is super handy. One of my favorite things about this bag is the insulated sleeve up here for my water bottle. It keeps my drink cold for hours, which is perfect for those long workout sessions. The waterproof zipper here is also a game changer. There is no more worrying about spills or the weather ruining my gear, and it does hold my phone, and I like to stick my wallet in here too. This bag literally fits everything. My phone, wallet, keys, snacks even. You could put your AirPods in here, or you could even clip them onto the side. It is compact, but surprisingly spacious, which makes it perfect for everyday use. Honestly, what sold me were the little details. For instance, it has this really cool little drawstring here that you can tighten your water bottle and keep it in place. And it also has little carabiners on each side, so you could clip a towel or you could clip your keys like I did here. And you could even clip your AirPods as well if you have like a little case on your AirPods. Really, you can do so much here, and it's really so spacious. On this little stretchy pocket on the front too, I just keep my lip glosses or chapsticks, or you can slide your earbuds in here as well. Plus, this bag is super lightweight and durable, and I know it'll hold up no matter where my day takes me. It has two different strap options as well. It has this adjustable long strap with a little shoulder pad here, so you can wear it on your shoulder or crossbody. And it does have this little handle here on the side too, so you can just kind of like hold it like this and travel around with it quickly and easily. So if you're like me and you don't want to carry around a big bulky gym bag, or if you're constantly misplacing your essential items, then give this Piker magnetic bag a go. Trust me, it is awesome. It's sleek, functional, and honestly, it has been my must-have for staying organized on the go.